Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video on my 2010 Jeep Wrangler Radiator replacement here. I had purchased the cold case radiator because my factory one was leaking, and then the one I bought from Cold Case, all aluminum, that one was leaking. So they sent me another one under a warranty replacement, and they made me pay for shipping, which I don't think is right. And I installed a second one from Cold Case, and now that one is leaking as well. So I just want to make a clear point: if you're thinking about buying a Cold Case radiator, I would highly suggest looking at a different brand. So just want to show you what I've got going on. So I still have my first one here, and this one was leaking. It was at the top, right at the top right hand corner, and I found that one with the pressure tester. It was just basically blowing air and fluid out. So second one, I pressure tested it, and it was actually holding pressure pretty well, so it was very tricky, but I knew, so fluid was dripping from the radiator. All the hoses were clean, so I'm like, it has to be coming from the radiator. And as you can see, it's leaking down. You must have bad welds going on the inside of these corners here, because it's leaking straight down this edge here. Same on the other side. Leaking straight down those edges where they just must have some bad welds or something. I don't know what the deal is here. So much. So going in with a Murray radiator this time. This one is from O'Reilly's, and it has a lifetime warranty. So, you know, I replaced the factory one because I wasn't sure about this plastic stuff, but apparently this company's not doing any better. So I'm going to try the Murray, and it has a lifetime warranty. If there's a problem, I can take it back to the auto parts store. Not dealing with these people anymore. You know, if you buy a product, you should not have to pay for shipping to have a warranty replacement sent. Yeah, and this thing was $400. This one was $400, and now I had to buy a cheaper one at $250 just to get this thing going again. And I want to get this done before winter time. So thanks for watching, and hope this helps anybody who's thinking about buying a new radiator. And at some point I'll also do an update and let you guys know how the new radiator is doing. And at some point I'll also do an update with the new radiator and let you guys know how things are going with the new radiator.